here's a basic guide to getting started on ChatGPT to help you with your job search. In the top right-hand corner, you normally have the option to log in or sign up. Once you've completed these steps, this is what the page will look like. In this box here, we type and we can press enter or we press the arrow. Once we've entered something, ChatGPT will start to formulate a response. We can now ask our request in this box here. I'd recommend always saying please, because you never know when the robots will take over. We can see here ChatGPT is giving us a response. It's asking us questions to help understand how it's going to help us. Now I'm going to say that I'm looking for a hotel manager job in London. It will perform a search of the web. Now there are different types of ChatGPT and lots of upgrade available. This is the free version that you can use easily. If I scroll up, I can see the original message that I put. And when I scroll down, I can find different information that's come from ChatGPT. We can see here, for example, it's given the number of jobs available and some of the different sites. When I look further down, we can see there's some sources. And if, for example, I was to click on this, it will take me to that link. Now, going back to ChatGPT, I can also ask if it could help me with my CV. Let's see what it says. So it's asking if I have one already, so I'll say I don't have one. Now it's going to start asking for lots of personal information, and you have the option here to put your information in or to consider using these different prompts to create your own document using either a software or a different tool or potentially Microsoft Word. Now, it's not really known where this information goes. Although we believe it's safe, I personally wouldn't recommend putting your own information that's private onto ChatGPT.